Hey, this is Evan Stormchaser here, and today I'll be saying what I think the most powerful pets in Prodigy are. Now, this isn't going to include epics, because epics are just super overpowered, and you can't get them anymore, except for Titus, which is a promotion right now. And they cost money, so that's not included in this, but now, you might know that the only pet that is legendary is the Dinosaur. It's like the Pterosaur. Now, you might know that this is the best pet in the game, or a lot of people say it's the best pet in the game. Now, a reason why this pet is so good is because of its spells. Now, normally, you'd want a spell to be just like 2 spells that hit one creature and 2 spells that hit multiple creatures. But this pet is different. Its spells are Volcano, Wildfire, Iron Cannon, and Stone Ball. First, all of these spells are level 3 stars, so they're good against anything. Now, you might know that fire is the best element because it's good against 2 things, which is the only element that's good against 2 things. But by having 2 spells that only hit one enemy and them being different things, so lightning, snow, and fire, that means this pet has fire, lightning, and snow, and you'll always be able to use these for one thing of energy. So this pet is now good against earth, lightning, water, and ice. Just not good against water because of its spells that are so good. Also, this does incredibly amount of damage. The only problem is its health. Now, there is a pet that might be as powerful or maybe even a little more powerful, which is the Sprite, or its evolved version is the Cerazag. Now, I have a video showing how to catch this pet, so you should go check that out if you haven't seen it. This pet is also fire, so it does a ton of damage. Now this has a little, like 1,000 or something more hearts than the Pterosaur, so that's good. Plus, it does a ton of damage. And its spells are just like the Pterosaur, just almost better. It has 2 fire spells: Volcano, Wildfire. Then Torrent, which is a water spell, so now it's good against fire too. And ice. This is ice spell. I just haven't unlocked it with this pet yet. And that is Snowing Ball. So it's good against lightning, earth, ice, and fire. And it's really good because fire is really good against 2 elements. Water is super good. It does so much damage against fire. And it has a water spell but it doesn't act like a water pet that can be hurt by a lot of things. And then ice can be good against lightning. So it's only missing lightning, which is what a lot of people consider probably, or not the worst, but it's not as good as some other ones. So this probably has the best spells, and it might be even better than the Pterosaur, which is the most powerful pet. Now, there is another one that is very powerful, just like this, or 2, which is the Shiver Tusk. Now, I did forget to mention that the Pterosaur is only a member-only pet, but the Sprite or Cerazag, is good, or anyone could get that as long as they know how to get it. Now the Shiver Tusk, it is a lot less powerful because it has a ton more hearts. As you see at level 100, it has 12,290, or yeah, 4. And it sadly doesn't have all the spells hit one enemy but its Sparkling Crush. But this is one of the only non-member pets that has all of its spells level 3 and has Lightning, Ion Cannon, and Overgrowth, so that's pretty good. But definitely not as powerful as the other two. And then the other one is a Hot Pot. Now, this has a good amount of health and a good amount of damage, especially because it is fire. And it, yeah, it just is pretty good because it has a ton of health that you can add, so it will stay, plus it's fire, so that's really good. So those are pretty much the most powerful pets, in my opinion, that aren't epics. And I hope you enjoyed this video, and subscribe so you don't miss any more Prodigy videos like this. And bye!